Multipurpose large-size duffel, great for hauling gear to the gym and team sports events or packing for travel and camping adventures. Spacious main compartment with U-shaped, dual-zippered opening for easy loading, 2 outside pockets for storing shoes, toiletries, and more. Versatile carry options include removable, adjustable shoulder strap, haul handles on the top, and a handle on each end. Constructed of sturdy, locker room-friendly 600 denier polyester that's easy to wipe down after activities. Measures 15 by 15 by 24 inches, WxHxD, with 110.6-liter capacity, backed by the Outdoor Products Plain Plus Simple Lifetime Guarantee. Available in 3 sizes, the versatile Mountain Duffle from Outdoor Products provides a spacious interior and rugged durability for weekend trips, workouts at the gym, car camping outings, and more. Each Mountain Duffle comes with a travel pouch for storing essentials like toiletries. Top reviews from the United States. Durable duffel for those extended weekend trips. So I've been in the market for a medium-sized duffel for car camping for some time. I've been using the round single zipper type duffel bag from REI for the past year. While that bag is very rugged, the organization inside the bag is very poor. The zipper doesn't open fully to see the content inside, and it's difficult to separate gear. I went into REI to check out some bags they have there. My favorite was the REI 65L Tech Beast Duffel. It's the closest in size to this medium duffel. While it was really awesome at $90, it was a little expensive for a duffel that would be used for car camping and weekend trips. Not to mention, the 65L didn't have a separate compartment for shoes. I would have to get the 100L bag for that, which was more expensive and way too big for my needs.